scratch. Let's see if he can kind of help me out with it. Get a little bit of Skyline action going on. Man, this car is it's so fun to drive. It's crazy. I don't know how fast I'm really going, but you know, I haven't really got it down yet. The kilometers and everything like that, but yeah, so driving it, trying to hold this camera and drive, it's a little tricky. The alignment is kind of way off too from me playing around with the coilovers and everything. But yeah, the shifter being on this side and everything like that, it's kind of hard to drive and hold the camera at the same time. But you know, to do some like really good pulls, it can take a little bit of practice, probably. I need to put it on the window, but I didn't want like window marks. All right. Dang, we got all the rupee stuff, huh? Dang, I got the whole rupee set up. All right, so
I'm not going cheap here.
Over at my buddy's house, and he's gonna try to at least kind of help this scratch out a little bit. I mean, it's pretty deep, but at least it won't. Some of it will come out. Like so this is from the shipping container. Something was in the shipping container. You can tell it's just rubbing against it. It kind of happened up here too, but. Like these, some of them are way too deep. Like this one's way too deep to do anything. But this line here will probably come out. Right here, this is just kind of surface scratches will come out. It's a little bit in there, but most of it's super duper deep. But anything will be better than it just being a foot long scratch. Right?
Yeah. Maybe.
Right. So.
The less noticeable, the best. But yeah. Hopefully, we can make it. That's the only flaw on the outside. Honestly, it's just that door.
You can see all the flaws in it. Like there's two dents here.
The hood,
yeah. It's got it's got all kinds of crap going on. Once you get it out in the fluorescent light, it's like.
Well, yeah. In natural daylight, you can't see it. But
no, like there's a dent right here. Bow. That's fine. I mean, it's 30 years old, so
cars nowadays
it's in
that
pretty.
are 2 years old don't look as good as shape as this.
Damn, it looks good in the garage, don't it? All right, so what do we got here? This is the course. This is stage one.
This is the toughest one. This is with the foam pad. With the foam pad, you can't burn the paint. I have a wool pad that you can put on here for deeper scratches, but since this is original paint, I don't want to risk the chance of burning the paint. So with the foam pad, and put it on two. And since this is a new pad, I kind of had to let it sit in one spot for like 15 to 20 seconds to kind of get the pad ready.
Wow, it moves fast. I know, like the bigger buffers, they'll just burn right through the paint.
No, the rotary buffers, yeah, you do that with the rotary buffer, that
gone.
Gone. So that was nice. What we'll probably do is just do it in 2 stages. We'll do the blue one first, and then we'll do the yellow one. wants to go to the yellow one.
Oh, it looks better. Like definitely looks better.
Yeah.
Right there.
With that blue, and it'll make it like a, what do you call it? It's too coarse.
You get swirl marks and shit.
Yeah, blue it'll give you some marks. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Is getting touch up for it.
I looked it up. It's not too bad.
No? You figured out the color code?
Yeah, it's on the boot tag.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's a KG1. That's the code.
That's a code? KG1?
KG1. Actually, they make, but it seems like they have 2 colors that are KG1.
Really? Oh.
It's gonna make that scratch shiny as fuck.
Yeah. I think so. From the looks of it, it doesn't look like the paint's that thick, you know? Like, I don't know how good Japan paint is.
No, Japan paint's like crap, probably. You know.
You know how like all those older cars have clear coat problems? Hard paint.
Yeah, I would have probably done torn it up already. So. A little better at driving it, a little bit. It's fun. It's really fun in traffic. Everybody's like, what is that? So the dampening, I checked the front, not messing with it, to see how stiff what it was set on. It's like 20 way or 24 way or whatever.
Yeah.
What do you think it was on?
The higher, the stiffer?
Yeah.
It's right at 20.
It was on 0 or 1.
It's on its soft setting?
Alright, and now it's on 3 clicks in the front.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, can it get any softer than that?
That's
See what happens
crazy.
when I turn it up 3 clicks.
So then it gets stiffer.
So it's stiffer in the front now. I don't know what the back set at. Isn't that that's kind of retarded? Like, damn. You know, I wish it was a little softer.
Yeah,
So,
these are good color,
coming down here is like, yeah, all right, cool.
let me turn it up.
That's what that is. You can't see. You can't see. Like I couldn't see. I can't see over there at all. Like you don't really need to be able to see that, I guess, to make right turns.
Yeah.
But to do things going left, you can't see anything.
Huh? You gotta launch it. Good. A little pop.